after using the block of the humans. All the way, triple humans and a foul. What a after using the block of the humans. All the way, triple humans and a foul.
Afternoon, basketball fans! Sino ang aabante at sino ang maiiwan sa panibagong araw ng Bucal Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 4? And also, partner, live pa rin tayo sa ating digital channel, GNTV-Naga, channel 48.2, at napapanood din tayo sa cable via DCTV channel 10 Naga. At syempre, meron din tayong FB Live sa GNTV-48 Facebook page at Bucal Facebook page.
I am John Russell A. Senora, and with me is Francis Rona upang magatid sa inyo ng ating fourth week, no, partner? Fourth week ng ating Bucal Season 4.
Fourth week at ikalimang araw natin ngayon. And ang first game ay ihahatid ng Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the Shepherdville Rams.
Ayun, and nung nakaraan, medyo naantala ang ating Bucal Season 4 dahil sa nakaraang bagyo. So prayers up po sa mga nasalanta, and sana nakakabawi na yung mga kababayan natin. So prayers up sa ating mga kababayan.
And tag-ulan pa rin ngayon, and mag-iingat kayo dyan naming mga Facebook viewers and TV viewers. And also, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors, Russell. We have the Naga College Foundation, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, globally competitive Choose Mariners. We also have Congressman Gabby Bordado of 3rd District and GCP, National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, Cafe Amigo, Pechelitos Resort, Camsur Viajen. We also have Flowers and Beyond, Own Style Graphic Design Services, AEC Ads, Department of Tourism, Region 5, and Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa ating sponsors para dito sa Bucal Season 4. Yun, partner, kabang-abang ang labang ito dahil ang ating Shepherdville Rams coming from a loss, no, doon sa napakagandang laro na pinakita sa atin the past week, no, Annunciation versus Shepherdville Rams, and ang ating kupunan naman na Mariners Blue Dolphins ay galing sa napakagandang panalo laban sa USI Falcons. So, sino kaya ang magwawagi dito? Siguradong gagawin ang lahat ng Rams upang makuha ang panalo ngayong hapon. At syempre, hindi rin papayag ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins na depensahan ang kanilang panalo.
Kaya sino ang aabante sa next round? Rams ba o ang Blue Dolphins? Aabangan natin yan ngayong araw. And to give us an update, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Janelle, all the way from the Blue Dolphins side. Hi Janelle, ano ang update dyan?
Francis and Russell, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. Once again, I'm Maria Janelle Germano, your courtside reporter, and we are back here again at the Ateneo Gymnasium. And it's the last 3 days before the quarterfinals on the 12th of November, at patuloy pa din ang pasiklaban ng mga basketball players representing different schools inside the Bucal region, dito lamang sa Bucal Season 4. So ngayon, andito ako with the team captain of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, and ngayon I'll be asking you some questions regarding sa mga past games and trainings inyo. So after your one win, ano yung mga naging preparations nyo para makuha nyo yung game or yung win nyo ngayon?
After ng last game namin, we have long weekend. We have a long break, kaya ang iba nagsiuwian na din. Tapos after ng break, ayun, nag-start na kami ng training. Tapos may schedule for Friday game versus Shepherd. Kaya yan, nag-training kami kahit 2 days lang. Hindi namin sinayang yung araw para mag-training at hindi namin hayang matalo lang kami sa araw na to.
So for now, ano yung message mo sa mga kapwa mo basketball players ng Mariners Blue Dolphins?
Gawin lang namin, execute lang namin yung play na pinapagawa sa amin, tapos takbo lang ng takbo hanggang may oras pa. Hindi kami titigil hanggang may oras pa.
Okay. Thank you so much, and yun nga, execute their play and takbo lang ng takbo to win their game for today's game. So yun lamang ang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Janelle, sa binigay mong update galing sa bench ng Blue Dolphins.
And yun nga, narinig natin sa side ng Mariners Blue Dolphin kanaman na they really maximize the long weekend, no? So, nag-training pa rin. Napaka-dedicated ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins para lang sa laban na ito. And to give us an update from the side of the Shepherdville Rams, we have our courtside reporter. Hello, Cass. Anong update? Sino ang posibleng kasama mo dyan?
Hi, Francis and Russell. Good afternoon, basketball enthusiasts. It's me once again, Cassandra Seton, and for today, I will be the courtside reporter of Rams. I can see that they are confident here coming out this season to prove that they can go and play along with the skills and talents of other schools in terms of basketball. During the last game, the public saw how they gave an extraordinary fight against their opponent. This time, we will see if they will dominate the game against the Blue Dolphins. Right now, I am with the team captain of the Rams, Mark. Mark, what are the preparations that your team made for this game?
Yung mga naging preparations po namin sa ngayong game, unang-una po yung stamina namin kasi nung last game po medyo nagkulang kami sa stamina. Next po, yung pinaka-importante yung depensa namin. At sa offense naman po, prepare namin kung paano ma-break yung trap nila kasi yun po ang depensa ng Mariners.
Thank you very much, Mark, and good luck for your game. Yan muna ang latest. Back to you, Russell and Francis.
Yes, and salamat po sa ating captain ball ng Shepherdville Rams. At yun, narinig natin kay Cassandra na pinagandaan masyado ng ating Shepherdville Rams ang kanilang stamina, and titignan natin kung mangyayari ba yung higpit na depensa na ipapakita ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
And ayun nga, partner. And papasalamatan natin ang ating Bucal executives. Bucal won't be possible without them. We have the Father Emeritus Father Danilo Imperial, President Engineer Mario Villanueva, and Vice President Roel Rosales. We also have the Secretary Don Rason, Treasurer Joseph Eric Claro, Auditor Dwight Lamet, Board Members Francisco Para Jr., John Francis Realubit. We also have Bucal Season 4 Secretariat Sofia Benemerito. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa ating mga Bucal executives. Ngayon, sa ating pagbabalik, Francis, makikita na natin ang labanan ng Shepherdville Rams versus Mariners Kanaman Blue Dolphins. So sa ating online world, dyan lang po kayo, relax. And don't forget to share and like our Facebook pages, Bucal Facebook page, and the GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon Facebook page. So babalik po kami for a short break.
Short after using the clock.
We are back live here at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium para sa inaabangang Bucal Season 4. Day 5 natin ngayon, Shepherdville Rams versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Yun, we welcome our online viewers here. And syempre, dito rin sa ating GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. Medyo hindi pa puno ang ating gymnasium, pero sigurado maya-maya lang pa nagsimula na ang lawan na to, siguradong punong-puno na ang gymnasium na ito.
May pasok ngayon, Russell. Siguro mamaya kapag uwian
Ay, oo,
mapupuno na
pwede.
yung mga bench natin dyan. And also, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga kasama statisticians na mamaya ay aabang ng mga at sila mag-i-score. And andyan, si Fatima Balisoro, Derek Berse, Angela Lafuente, Hanilin, salamat, Kyle Santiago, and Irish Silvestre. Maraming salamat po. And maraming salamat din sa ating Bucal volunteers.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa ating Bucal student volunteers headed by Miss Alex
Benemerito.
Alright, and pasalamatan din natin ang ating officiating referees from SBP Elite Naga, headed by Sir Eman Faraon. Maraming salamat po. And for our first five, we have from the Shepherdville Ram, number 11, Tukay Joshua, number 15, Amor, number 8, Nunez, number 5, Martinez John Paul, and number 9, Vivares Rafael. And from the side of our Mariners Kanaaman Blue Dolphins, we have number 13, Malaluan Benny, number 1, Malaluan Francis, number 8, Bacolod Ranson, number 21, Armendi Christian, and number 6, Nuarin Nikos. The center, we have number 21 and number 8. Ayan na, magsisimula na po ang ating unang game para sa 4th week ng Bucal Season 4. Kapikan ng bola, ball possession ng ating Butler's interception, pass back play, number 1, no good. And doon yung number 6 ng Shepherd Rams. Number 9, finding his teammates. Love pass to number 8, pass inside. Number 9, setting a play. What a alley-oop pass, pero wala, hindi. Medyo napalakas lang ang bato ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 8, Bacolod, pass to number 6, Norin. Pass for 3, no good. But there's number 13 of the Blue Dolphins, and he committed a foul, and he will be awarded with 2 free throws.
And papasa tayo ng Facebook Live comments dyan. Shoutout kay Angela Lafuente from Van Rivera. And shoutout din po kay Coach Gab De Vera. Galing yan kay Carmel Joy Vergara. And napapansin mo, partner, ay bago yung mga net ng ating ring.
Oo, yun. Siyempre. Dapat.
Bukal to eh.
Oo, bukal to eh. First throw is no good. Second throw. And it's good for his second throw. Score natin 1-0. Lamang ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Nakikita mo dito, partner. Full court press at effective nga ang kanilang full court press dahil nakakuha sila ng points coming from a turnover. Napagandang depensa na pinapakita ng ating Mariners na naman. At ayun pa nga, meron pang isa. Intercepted by number 1. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 8. Pero andun pa rin si number 13. Uses the glass. No good. Medyo napalakas. Rebounded by other Shepherdville Rams. Number 11. Napagandang pass na yun. And it's good. Red pointer. 10. Rams.
Julius Dave Areño. Ayun.
Number 1. Crossing is over. Napagandang crossover nun. What a fake. Pero nandun ang ating Shepherdville Rams to stop them from making a point. Mag-isa lang na baba, and it's good for a 2-point. Number 9 of Shepherdville Round. That's Vivares Rafael. Turnover. Bola pa rin. Fakes. Number 10, inside pass, and it's good for an inside pass. Number 5, Martinez.
And Russell, wag natin kalimutan na pasalamatan yung naiwan ko kanina nga sponsors. We
Sige.
have the SHEPPEREDVILLE, Wow Worlds of Water, Lemon Residences, Naga yun, Travel and Tours, MCF Driving School, Converge, ICT Solution, MCF Training Pool, Capazon, Peñaflor, MCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. Mantox Kinalas, Austin, Catering
And maraming salamat sa ating sponsor. Score natin 8-3. Lamang po ang ating Shepherdville Rams with 7 minutes and 37 seconds. And we have a timeout called by the Mariners Kanaman Blue Dolphins. And we're still live here at the DOLPHINS University Gymnasium. And you're still watching GNTV Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul. What a
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa loob ng Ateneo-Naga University Gymnasium. Score natin ay 8 against
With 7 minutes seconds. Ano kaya ang magiging adjustment ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins? Mamaya, maririnig natin yan sa ating courtside. But for now, back to the ball game tayo. Number 8, fires for 3. No good. Rebounded by the Shepherdville Rams. Number 10, diretso. 11, short jumper. And it's good for a short jumper. Number 11, Tuca. Number 19 of the Blue Dolphins, Manrique. Crossing the court. Pass number 21. Number 21, no good. Rebounded by number 8. Pass to number 10. Love pass to number 11. Fakes. Love pass to number 9. Fires for 3. No good. Andun ang ating Mariners to get the rebound. Same ball ang itatawag ng ating referee. So there's... Alright. Merong clarification na ginawa ang ating referee. Bola. Blue Dolphins. Number 8. Crossing the court. Pass to number 19. Back to number 8. Number 6. Number 19, Manrique fires for 3. There's an air ball. Rebounded by the Rams. Number 9. Toss is over. Pass to number 11. Medyo napalakas lang ang pasa ng ating number 9. That's a turnover. Bola ng ating Mariners Kanaman Blue Dolphins.
And time check, meron pa rin tayong 6 minutes and 20 seconds para sa ating first quarter.
Ayun, napagandang pasa sana yun pero napigilan ng ating Shepherdville Rams ang play ng Mariners Kanaman. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, diretso. Napagandang tusot nun, but nandun si number 21 from defensive rebound and making it as a point. There's a foul. Alright.
Okay, and for a quick update, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Janelle para sabihin and balitaan tayo kung ano ba ang nangyari during the timeout. Hi Janelle, ano ang update dyan?
Yes, thank you, Frances. Dolphins started a good play pero nagkakaroon ng konting problema sa kanilang screening. But nevertheless, Coach Jonathan reminded the boys to always set the play and remember their game plan with a 1-2-2 defense. Umpisa pa lang ng game, mahaba pa ang oras. Ika nga ni Coach Jonathan. Yun lamang update dito. Thank you. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Janelle, sa quick update ng ating from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Nilang pinaalala lang ni Coach sa kanyang mga players na to stick to the play and be mindful of the game plan na kanyang kukupanan. Ayun na nga, there's a 2-pointer from number 6 of the Mariners Kanaman Blue Dolphins. Number 4, there's a foul. Number 21. It's a blocking foul.
Basa muna tayo ng shoutout Russell. Shout out kay number 8 player Renzon Bacolod from Adon Bacolod. And shout out din kay Alfie Pumasano Palmero from John Paulo Panopio. Maraming salamat po sa aming FB Live viewers.
2-pointer from the Mariners ka naman, Blue Dolphins. Full court press ang pinapakita sa atin. Double. If there's a violation, itatawag sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Backcourt violation. Ball possession of our Mariners ka naman, Blue Dolphins. We only have 4 minutes and 56 seconds left sa ating first quarter with 13-9. Lamang pa rin ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Manrique fires for 3. No good, in and out. Nagawa ng bola sa itaas. Rebounded by the Mariners ka naman. Number 11. Number 8. Napakagandang pasa noon. Number 10 of the Shepherdville Rams for a 2-pointer. Number 6. Setting the play. Belong-Belo fires for 3 and it's good for a 3-pointer. Number 6. Nuarin. Lampas to number 9. Fakes. Waiting for his teammates. Number 11, calling for a play. Pass to the big man of the Shepherdville Rams and it's good for a 2-pointer. Number 8, Nunez. There's intercepted by number 8. Napagandang Euro step noon. Kumagat sana. So may tapikan ng bola. There's a substitution, number 29, will at the court from the side of the Mariners ka naman, while
Pahinga muna si number 13.
Number 2 of the Shepherdville Rams will enter the hard court.
And sa mga nagtatanong po, ang second game natin na mamaya ay ang
UNC
Greyhounds
yes.
versus the NCF Tigers. Ayun, isa rin itong kaabang-abang.
Abang-abang na laro yan mamaya, Francis. Siguradong punong-puno itong gym na to mamaya. Ito nga, kita natin, unti-unti lang napupuno ang ating gymnasium. What an interception. Number 8. Drives. Kicks out to number 6. Fires for 3. No good. Pero andun ng rebound ni number 8. Napakasipag. Given of the height advantage, he still managed to get the ball. Number 8 of the Mariners Kanaaman. What a fake. Number 19. But there's interception. Number 9. Redirecho and it's good for a 2-pointer. And to give us an update from the side of the Shepherdville Rams, let's call in our courtside reporter. Hello, Cass. Kamusta ang update dyan?
Thank you, Francis and Russell. Before the game, the head coach reminds their players regarding the game plan that they are planning to achieve this game. They are tasked to execute the proper offense and defense and perform a fast break. They are also ordered to backs out if there is a chance, as well as to take it slowly and do not rush the game. As of now, Rams are dominating the game against the Blue Dolphins. Yan muna ang latest. Back to you, Russell and Francis.
Maraming salamat, Cass, sa update from the side of the Shepherdville Rams. Yung nga, narinig natin, patience. So, take it slow, take their time, kasi they are dominating the game.
Slowly,
Napakagandang,
but
yeah.
surely sa ating Shepherdville Rams.
Napakagandang advice from the head coach of the Shepherdville Rams. What a defensive stuff pinakita sa atin ng Shepherdville Rams. Number 6, will inbound the ball. We only have 2 minutes and 29 seconds left sa ating first quarter with 23-16. Labang pa rin po ng 7 ang ating Shepherdville Rams.
And a shoutout po kay John Lester Bacunyo from Alfie Palmero. And a shoutout din kay John Lester Bacunyo from Daet.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok dito sa GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. And of course, sa Bucal Facebook page. Again, don't forget to share, like our Facebook pages. And yun, you can send stars, di ba?
Bucal, yung Bucal
Ladies and
Facebook
stars,
page, and
just to
yung
support
GNTV
our
48.
stream. Maraming salamat po. First throw. And it's good for his first throw.
And maraming salamat kay Kay Floriano ng Camsur Viaje, and kay Mars Aliniante ng Flowers and Beyond.
Ayun, maraming salamat po. Tatawag ang ating referee. There's a foul. The possession ng ating Mariners. Medyo napalakas ang tapon, ang pasa ng ating. Same goes with the Shepherdville round. So kanina ko pa ito napapansin. Medyo gigil ang ating mga players ngayon. So napapalakas ang mga pasa, napapalakas sometimes their shots. So,
Kaya napapadami yung turnover ngayong first quarter.
makikita natin yan during the halftime analysis, partner. There's a foul committed by number 29. Pushing foul. Number 4 of the Shepherdville Rams will be awarded with 2 free throws. That's Rico Mark. It's good for his first throw. Jumpers ready for the second throw. And it completes the 2 given free throws. There's a substitution. Pagpapahinga muna si number 29 and number 19 of the Mariners Kanaman Blue Dolphins. We only have 1 minute and 40 seconds left sa ating first quarter. 26-16. Lamang ng 10 ang ating Shepherdville Rams.
And shoutout po kay Iyoy from CSPC, and shoutout din kay Ferd Buenavante. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok. Number 1, Malaluan. Tosses over. Drives. No good. Rebounded by number 33. Wala pa rin for the second chance opportunity. Error for the third chance. And it's good for a 2-pointer. Number 27. Pass break pass. But tatawagan ng foul si number 33. Just to stop the Shepherdville round.
And marami yung fans ng Shepherdville Rams dito sa ating FB Live.
Yun. Given na medyo may distansya ang pinanggalingan ng ating Shepherdville Rams. So maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok. It's good for his first throw. Number 3, Lumabe. Jumpers ready for the second throw. No good. Rebounded by number 27 of the Mariners Kanaman Blue Dolphins. Malaluan. Crossing the court. Number 12, Diretso. But there's a violation na itatawag. Number 33. Ball possession of Shepherdville Rams. Substitution, number 7 will enter the court while number 33 will take a rest for a moment. We only have seconds to play. 27-18. Fires for 3, no good. Rebounded by the Blue Dolphins. Number 6. Alley-oop pass to number 12, no good. Rebounded by number 3. Pass break pass to number 28. Nabitawan yung bola. Ball possession of the Mariners Kanaman Blue Dolphins. We only have 30 seconds left sa ating first period. 27-18. Siyam na lang po hinahabol ng ating Mariners Kanaman Blue Dolphins. Number 7 for the second chance opportunity. Short jumper, no good. 20 seconds to play. Wow, napagandang pasa noon. Number 22, good for a 2-pointer. Number 7, minding his teammates. Number 12, number 1, Malaluan, grabs the ball. And it's good. What an end one play for number 1, Malaluan.
meron na lang tayong 3 segundo para sa ating first quarter.
Nakahabol pa. Napagandang player ni number 1, Malaluan. Tingnan natin kung makumpleto pa ang 3-point play ni number 1 ng Mariners, kanamang Blue Dolphins. And he completes the 3-point play. Nice shot by number 1, Malaluan. 3 seconds to play. Tingnan natin kung makakascore pa ba ang ating Shepherdville Rams. No good. That's the end of our first period. 29-21. Walo na lang ang inahabol ng ating Mariners kanama Blue Dolphins. And we are still live here at Ateneo-Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back para sa ating second quarter.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. What a Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa loob ng hard court. Rams versus Blue Dolphins, and lamang ng 8 puntos ang ating Shepherdville Rams.
Ayun, and going back to the game, bola ngayon ng ating Mariners kanama Blue Dolphins. Number 19, pass to number 13, drives, spins, kicks out to number 19 for 3. No good, in and out, pero andun ang ating Shepherdville Rams to defend the basket. Number 3, what a bounce pass dito sa atin ni number 22 to number 3. Number 19, crossing the court, number 8. Nakuha pa rin ni number 8. What a hustle play na pinakita sa atin ni number 8. Has to defend the ball. There's a foul from number 22, Napay.
And hindi rin nagpapaiwan, Russell, ang mga kapamilya ng ating players dito sa ating FB Live. Andyan si Romar Lumabe na binabate ang kanyang kapatid na si number 3 Lumabe from Shepherdville Rams.
Supportive na kapatid. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok. Shoutout sa iyo, Ian Bubier. Idol Ian. Shoutout sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok. What a spin move! Sayang, hindi lang nakapasok, but still managed to rebound it, get the ball. Gawa ng bola ng Shepherdville, ng ating Mariners kanama Blue Dolphins. Number 19, spin move, napalakas lang ang tira ng number 19. Rebounded by the Shepherdville Rams, number 28, dire-diretso, and it's good for a 2-pointer. Number 13 will inbound the ball of the Mariners kanama Blue Dolphins. Pass to number 8, Bacolod. Calling for a play. Crosses over. Short jumper and he uses the glass and is good for a 2-pointer. Number 8.
10 puntos na lang ang hahabulin ng Blue Dolphins.
Masyado pang maaga, mga kaibigan. Nasa second quarter pa lang tayo. Hindi pa rin natin madidiktahan ang laro kung sino ba ang mananalo sa laban ng ating Shepherdville Rams versus Mariners Kanamang Blue Dolphins. Gawa ng bola, number 27. What a pass to number 21. Medyo napalakas lang. Intercepted by number 27. Bola ng ating Shepherdville Rams, ng Mariners Kanamang Blue Dolphins. No good, pero still managed to rebound it. Number 27 for a second chance opportunity. No good. Rebounded by number 4. Number 3. Number 3 finding his teammate. Number 22 Napay for 3. No good. Rebounded by number 19. And to give us an update all the way from the bench of the Shepherdville Rams, let's call in our courtside reporter. Hello, Cass. Kamusta? Anong update mo dyan?
Hi, Russell and Francis. After the first quarter, Team Rams is still leading the game, but during the timeout, the head coach orders the players to execute 1-2 zone defense, and they must form it in the inner lane, not in the outside. They are also reminded to keep the teamwork and the importance of mindfulness when they are on the hard court. Yan muna ang latest. Back to you, Russell and Francis.
Maraming salamat, Cass. Quick update all the way from the bench of the Shepherdville Rams. Yun nga, narinig natin to keep their patience and be mindful of the game. Given na medyo maaga at medyo may kalamangan nga ang ating Shepherdville Rams, pero napagandang advice on huwag magpakampante.
And nagpo-focus sila sa teamwork kasi Russell, napapansin natin na from first quarter hanggang second quarter, parang napapalakas yung mga pagpasa ng bola.
Siguro more on the communication side. No?
Effective communication,
Effective.
yes, Russell.
Napaka-importante yan dito sa ating basketball game. Number 19 drives the ball. Oh, good. Rebounded by number 18 of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 3, Lumabe. Pass to number 15. What? A reverse layup na pinakita sa atin ni number 15, Amor. Number 8. Pass to number 27. Number 27, rediretso. No good. Rebounded by number 10 of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 3, Lumabe. Napagandang pasa nun. Yun nga lang. Kanina, napapalakas lang talaga ang pasahan natin dito. Number 6, Norin will enter the court.
And Russell, now let's hear from the other side with our courtside reporter, Janelle, kasama ang Blue Stallions team. Hi, Janelle. Ano ang update mo dyan?
Frances, and we have a gloomy weather here in Naga City, but the game here in Ateneo is heating up. During the huddle, Coach Jonathan reviewed the lapses of the boys during the first quarter. Nevertheless, Coach Jonathan reminded them also that make communication and focus on their play. Yun lamang ang update dito. Balik sa inyo.
Junel, for a quick update sa ating from the side of the Mariners Kanamang Blue Dolphins. Narinig na natin, nireview ng ating head coach yung lapses na nakomit ng ating Mariners Kanamang. Pero sinabi pa rin ni coach na mag-focus sa communication in sa play ng ating Kanamang Blue Dolphins. And we have a timeout called by the Mariners Kanamang Blue Dolphins, 39-25. Lamang pa rin ng siyam ang ating Shepherdville Rams with 5 minutes and 6 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Pressure live here at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium, and still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
are back live here at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. Rams versus the Blue Dolphins. And lamang pa rin ang team ng Shepherdville Rams at meron na rin tayong 5 minutes na lang sa ating second quarter.
Ayun. Back to the ball game, mga kaibigan. What a lob pass ni number 6. What an eye vision na pinakita sa atin ni number 1. Just to make a point. Napagandang depensa ang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan. Number 3, a reverse layup. Uses the glass. It's good for a 2-pointer. Number 33, inbounding the ball. Lob pass to number 27. Number 27 kicks out to his teammate for 3, and it's good for a 3-pointer. Number 6, Norin.
Naalala ko si Nuarin best player of the game nung nakaraan.
Oo, tama. Siya yung naging best player of the game natin. Laban kontra sa USI Falcons. Substitution. Number 3 will leave the court, and number 9, Vivares, will enter the hard court. Number 11, calling for a play. Pass to the big man, number 12. But there's number 8 intercepted the ball. Short jumper, number 6. But andun si number 9, papalakas lang, pero andun ang kanyang kakampi for a follow-up shot.
And a shout out po kaya Juraina Dreya and Joanna Formalejo Buana. Galing kaya Joanna Bell Formalejo.
Ayun, shoutout po sa inyo. Shoutout rin. Si Mama, na nanonood. Joy Senyora, shoutout sa iyo, ma. Maraming salamat sa pag-support.
Maraming salamat po. Para napapansin ko, araw-araw, every weekend inaabangan ka ng mama mo, Rachel.
Dahil talaga si Mama, kahit nung naglalaro din kami, palagi rin niya nanonood. We only have 3 minutes and 35 seconds left to play. And our score is 43-32. There's a turnover committed by the Shepherdville Rams. Ball possession po ng ating Mariners Kanakman Blue Dolphins.
And 3 minutes and 26 seconds para sa ating second quarter.
Number 6, Marin. Across the court. Finding his teammate. Calling for a team play. Number 1 crosses over. Number 1 drives the ball. Kicks out to his teammate, number 27, but there's a foul by number 11. That's a 4th-team foul of the Shepherdville Rams. Isa na lang nasa penalty na ang ating Mariners Kanakman Blue Dolphins. There's a 5 seconds violation committed by the Mariners Kanakman Blue Dolphins. That's a turnover. Bola po ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 10. Kicks out to number 9. Drives the ball. Yun, medyo nagkapisikalan, pero normal lang yun sa ating basketball. There's number 27 trying to defend the basket. And we have a timeout goal by the Shepherdville Rams with 2 minutes and 57 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 43-32. Lamang pa rin po ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Dito pa rin po tayo sa GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium, and we're still live on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Short jumper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul.
We are back live here at DOLPHINS University Gymnasium, and meron na lamang tayong 2 minutes and 57 seconds para sa ating second quarter, and lamang pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams.
At ayun, shoutout din natin ang ating medic para sa hapon na ito. Shoutout sa ating Red Cross para sa ating medic. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtulong. And to give us a quick update coming from the timeout, let's hear from the court side of the Shepherdville Rams. Hello guys, anong update?
Hi, Russell and Francis. During the timeout, Coach Eduardo informed the players that they are losing in terms of offensive rebound. They are wasting many chances to make a score, kaya naman the players are reminded na wag makakampante kahit na lamang pa rin ang Team Rams. The players must continue to try and execute the orders of their coaches for them to achieve better results. Yan muna ang update. Back to you, Francis and Russell.
Maraming salamat, Cass, para sa quick update from the Shepherdville Rams. Yun nga, narinig natin kay Cassandra na according to the head coach, they're losing their offensive rebounds. That's why nakakapuntos ang kalaban nila. So, pinaalala lang ni Coach, spike tingin, bantayan ang ilalim ng basket. There's a foul committed by number 15 of the Shepherdville Rams. And the Mariners can among Blue Dolphins now in the penalty to number 6 who shot his first throw, and it's good for his first throw.
And shout out po kay Jules Villanueva, galing yan Kurt Del Rosario, and shout out din kay Pachoy Mendoza, number 10 from Andrea Oyardo.
Maraming salamat sa pagtutok, and it's good for his 2 given free throws. Number 11, number 8, pass the big man. What an inside pass. Napakagandang eye vision from the big man of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 9, Vivares. Good for a 2-pointer. Number 1, crossing it over. Pero may nakita ang ating referee. Number 11. Number 1, step on the free throw line to make his 2 free throws.
And Russell, ang game schedule natin bukas, November 5, dito pa rin sa DOLPHINS University Gymnasium. First game, ihahatid ng ACC Green Serpents versus the CSPC Stallions. And second game, Annunciation Panthers versus the MPCF Blue Dolphins. And third game, ay ihahatid ng CCDI Wildcats versus the NCF Tigers. And ang fourth game and last game bukas ay Adnu Golden Knights versus the USI Falcons. Marami-rami ito, Russell.
Marami nga. At mukhang gagabihin tayo bukas.
And for sure, hindi mababakante ang bench dito sa Adnu Gymnasium
sigurado yan.
bukas.
Number 6, Marine. We only have 2 minutes left sa ating second period. 48 to 36. Lamang pa rin ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Muhabol pa rin by 12. Lamang 12 points lead of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 11, finding his teammate. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 8. Kicks out to number 10. Takes number 15. Fires for 3. And it's good for a 3-pointer. Number 15. Amor of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 8. Crossing the court. Pass to number 33. Finding his teammate. Number 1. Heavily guarded. To manage to escape from the guard for the defensive stop of the Shepherdville Rams. And nakakuha pa nga ng foul ang ating number 1, Malaluan. And again, he will step on the line for a 2 free throw. Substitution, papasok ngayon si number 2, ng ating Mariners ka naman Blue Dolphins.
And shoutout po kay JM Piloneo. Galing yan kay Don Alice. Shoutout din kay number 10 Pachoy Mendoza. And shoutout kay Junior Cortez Reyes. Maraming salamat po sa aming FB Live viewers.
Jumpers ready for the last throw. Number 1, no good. Rebounded by number 10. Intercepted by number 33. Medyo napalas lang ang pasa. Sayang mo. Puntos na sana yun. You only have seconds to play. Number 9 drives the ball. Uses the glass, but no good. Pero nakakuha siya ng foul. It's a shooting foul, and he will step on the line. Number 9, Vivares.
And then meron tayong substitution pasok si number 25 Rodelas. And pahinga muna si number 11 Bucal.
Ayun. You only have 54 seconds left, mga kaibigan, para sa ating second quarter. It's good for his first throw. Second throw. Completes the 2 given free throw. Number 9. 54 seconds left. Lob pass to number 1. Number 1. What a pass. What a fake. And it's good for a 2-pointer. Number 33 of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Number 10. Fakes back to number 9. Fires for 3. Short. Putan doon si number 25 for offensive rebound. And good for a 2-pointer. 19 seconds play. Number 1 crosses it over. Intercepted by number 10. There's a miscommunication from the side of our Shepherdville Rams. 12 seconds to play. Tingnan natin kung makakaputos pa ba ang ating Shepherdville Rams o ang Mariners Kanaman. And it's good for coming from a turnover, number 15. What an interception. Love pass to number 6, Norin. Number 6 fires for 3. No good, and that's the end of our second period. 57-38. Namang pa rin po ang ating Shepherdville Rams. That's gonna end our second quarter. Wag po kayong aalis at sa ating pagbabalik. Tignan natin ang performances ng ating dalawang kupunan ngayong araw. Shepherdville Rams and the Mariners Kanaman Blue Dolphins for our halftime analysis. We're still live here at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. What a
from Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, your courtside reporter this Bucal Season 4. Isa sa mga pinagkakabalan ko is
to focus on my academics and involve ako sa mga organizations sa loob ng school namin. Also, I'm a volunteer on several organizations outside my school and sa lugar namin. And since pinaglalaanan ko ng oras ang academics ko ngayon, isa sa reason dahil 2 years from now, I'll be graduating from my course Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management sa Mariners Naga. As your courtside reporter, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang update about sa team, hindi lang kung saan ako nanggaling na school, kundi sa iba't ibang colleges na involved ngayong Bucal Season 4.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNTV-48 Naga digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? 11 up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, Salbay, Barangay Sagpon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing. Magsama-sama tayong magbalitaan at kwentuhan dito sa GNN TV 48 Naga.
Hi everyone, I am Cassandra A. Seton, taking up secondary education specializing in English at Ateneo-Dinaga University, and I am one of the courtside reporters this Bucal Season 4. Some of my hobbies are first playing volleyball. I just do it during my free time. I'm also a reading advocate. I love reading. And I am also into hostings and likewise, of course, public speaking. It's such an honor for me to be part of Bucal Season 4, knowing that this is my very first time being a courtside reporter. It would be a good opportunity for me to grow and also to be more knowledgeable and involved when it comes to sports. Expect me to be more dedicated in sharing the stories of each player as well as sharing what is happening in the team during their game.
Sa oras ng sakuna, isa sa mga kailangan natin sa ating tahanan ay isang go bag. Ang isang go bag ay naglalaman ng tubig, mga dilata at biscuits upang hindi tayo magutom, energy bars or energy drink, first aid kit, communication devices tulad ng flashlights at batteries, whistles o pito, portable radio, at extra cellphone. Mas mabuti kung meron tayong prepaid load guard. Tools, tulad ng Swiss knife at gunting. Maaari din tayo magdagdag ng lubid. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang hygiene kit na naglalaman ng sabon, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush, at face mask. Sa lahat ng oras, laging bukas, nakahanda ang aming tanggapan. Tandaan, ang Bicolanong alerto, pirming protektado.
Sungunyan niya ako kitadigdi sa World of Water. Oh wow, sungunyan nihilingan tapo ang machine. Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infles. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner! This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
We are back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium and natapos na nga ang ating half-time and mamaya ibibigay natin partner ang halftime analysis on our first 20 minutes of action.
Ayun. And don't forget, we are live at GNTV-48 Naga, Digital Channel 48.2, DCTV Channel 10, GNTV-48 Naga Facebook page, GNN Sports TV Facebook page, and Bucal Facebook page. And you know, nandito na ang ating halftime analysis. Nakita mo natin lamang ang Sheppleredville Rams. Bakit kaya naging lamang ang ating Sheppleredville Rams? Dahil meron silang 66.67% for a 2-point field goals. And ang ating ang Mariners naman nagkaroon lang ng 40%. And halos parehas lang ang kanilang turnovers committed, pero mas marami ang points of turnovers ng ating Sheppeville Rams. And siguro ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit medyo napalamang ang ating Sheppeville Rams. At meron pa akong napansin dito, partner, yung fast break points ng Sheppeville Rams. They created 18 points while the Mariners Kaamang Blue Dolphins, they only have 4 points. So, pero mahaba pa ang oras. We still have 20 minutes sa ating second half. So let's see kung ano ba ang mangyayari sa ating third quarter and fourth quarter sa araw na ito.
Abangan natin kung bilog nga ba talaga ang bola para sa ating Shepherdville Rams and Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Pero when it comes to the offensive rebound, 14 ang nakana ng ating Mariners Kaamang Blue Dolphins, given medyo may height advantage ang ating Shepherdville Rams, but still they managed to get a 14 offensive rebounds. Napakaganda, napakagaling na hustle na pinapakita ng ating Mariners Kaamang doon.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa ating kasamang statisticians para dyan sa halftime analysis.
Back to the ball game tayo mga kaibigan. On the line is number 13.
And ngayon natawagin natin ang kasama nating courtside reporter na si Janelle para bigyan tayo ng update kung ano ba ang napag-usapan ng Blue Dolphins team during the halftime. Hi Janelle, ano ang update mo dyan?
Francis, during the timeout, the Dolphins are making the game easy for the Rams. Coach Jonathan reminded the boys to always set their play, get back to their trapping and their 1-2-1 full court defense. Also, them to look out for their fouls as the game continues. The Dolphins are still have long quarters. They should make it more challenging and sprint down as fast as they could. Yun lamang ang update dito. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat Janelle para sa quick update sa side ng ating Mariners Kaamang Blue Dolphins, and coming from the head coach of the Blue Dolphins. Sinabi niya sa kanyang mga players, always set the play and be mindful of your trappings. So depends sa ngayon ang ipapakita sa atin ng Mariners Kaamang Blue Dolphins. At nakita natin kanina 3-pointer from number 19, Enrique. Gawa ng bola. Nakuha pa rin ang ating Mariners Kaamang Blue Dolphins. At may nakita ang ating referees. Kaninong bola kaya ang ibibigay ng ating referee?
And shout out po kay Arwin Sanatape, galing kay John Albert San Juan. And shout out din kay John Paulo Panopio. Thank you for watching.
So, maraming salamat sa pagtutok. Again, don't forget to share and like our Facebook pages.
Andyan ang Bucal Facebook page, GNN TV48 Facebook page at GNN Sports TV Facebook page.
Ayun.
Pasalamatan muna natin, Russell, ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Congressman Agabi Bordado of 3rd District, NGCP, National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, globally competitive, choose Mariners. We have a Cafe Amigo, Pechelitos Resort, Kamsura Viaje, Flowers and Beyond, Own Style Graphic Design Services, AET Ads, Department of Tourism, Region 5, Lemon Residences, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. We also have a SM City, Naga, Wow Worlds of Water, Nagayona Travels and Tours, MCF Driving School, Converge ICT Solution, NCF Training Pool, Capazon Peña Flora, NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings, Mangkok's Kinalas, Kape ni Manoy, and Doña Osang Catering Services. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, our dear sponsors. Yung nga, 7 minutes and 4 seconds para sa ating third quarter. And 64-43 ang ating score.
And shout out po kay Wayne R. Asenio. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay sa aming Facebook Live. And partner, pasalamatan natin ang GNN TV48 para sa kanilang malinaw na coverage ng ating Bucal Season 4.
Siyempre, maraming salamat sa ating GNN team headed by Sir Jerome. Hi, Sir Jerome.
And a shoutout din kay Coach JR Parco. Ang napakasipag si Coach JR.
So yun, siyempre yung mga kasamahan din natin, ba? Sa ating napakagaling na mga statisticians, shoutout sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
Yan, maraming salamat kay Derek Berse, Angela Lafuente, Hanilin Salamat, Kyle Santiago, and Irish Silvestre.
Meron na po tayong decision coming from the referee. So meron lang nangyaring clarification doon sa nakomit na violation kanina. So to give us an update, during the huddle of going to the third quarter, pakinggan natin ang courtside reporter all the way from the bench of the Shepherdville Rams. Hello, Cass. Kumusta? Anong update during the huddle?
Hi, Russell and Francis. After the first half, the players are mandated to not be relaxed. They must be pressured but also enjoy while playing the game. Coach Eduardo emphasized that the players must be aggressive in making defense but also be careful. They should not reserve their energy because this time is the best time to show their energy and power to perform a good fight. They have to distribute the play properly, respect the opponent, and try to perform a reasonable game. Yan muna ang latest. Stay updated by tuning in to the official broadcaster of Bucal Season 4, none other than GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan muna ang latest. Back to you, Francis and Russell.
Thank you very much, Cass, for a quick update from the bench of the Shepherdville Rams. Yan nga, napaganda yung narinig ko sa head coach ng ating Shepherdville Rams, ba? Distribute the play and most especially respect their opponent. So, yun din naman, no? Sportsmanship pa rin ang pinapagana ng ating mga kupula. Siyempre, hindi lang naman galing, pero lahat ng ating kupunan dito sa Bucal Season 4, yun talaga yung pinapakita sa atin. Dapat lahat merong sportsmanship.
Ayun, and wag na daw i-preserve ang kanilang energy dito sa hardcourt. Dapat daw bigay na bigay.
Alright. No room for complacent dito ang ating Shepherdville Rams dahil marami pang pwedeng mangyari sa ating third and fourth quarter. There's a 3-pointer from Manrique. No good for the second chance opportunity. Pass to number 22. Fires for 3. No good. Merong nakita ang ating referee.
And 5 minutes and 47 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Ang score natin ay 66 against 43 and lamang pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams.
There's substitution. Pasok nyo sa number 3 at magpapahinga muna ng sandali sa number 22. Ball possession of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 3. Nabitawan ng bola and bola. There's a foul. My apologies. May nakitang foul ang ating referee. Same ball possession. Shepherdville Rams and number 9, Vivares. Good for a 3-pointer. Shoutout sa'yo, David Joshua Bernales.
And a shoutout din kay Auste Hodelain. Galing kay David Bernales.
Bulalakaw, pa-shoutout po from San Isidro Pili. And shoutout rin sa Birmeo family. Ate. Shoutout sa'yo, ate. And kay Kuya Gerard, and kay Jenia, and Johan, ang aking napaka-cute na mga pamangkin. Number 9, fires for 3. No good. Rebounded by number 21 of the Blue Dolphins. Number 19 crossing the court. Finding his teammate, bounce pass to number 27. Spin move and it's good for a spin move of number 21. Inikutan. There's a turnover. Number 8. Bulalakaw dire-diretso. No good, pero andun si number 27 for the second chance opportunity. Number 6 for 3. No good, but andun pa rin ang ating Mariners Kalaban. What a hassle, reverse layup. No good. Bola na ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 3 grabs the ball, and it's good. For that drive, number 3, Sumave. And there's timeout called by our Mariners Kalaban Blue Dolphins with the score 73-45 with 4 minutes and 51 seconds left sa ating third quarter. We are still live here at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Short jumper using the back. All the way. Number 2 makes a foul. Short jumper using the back. All the way. Number 2 makes a foul.
Tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon dito sa loob ng GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. Shepherdville Rams versus the Blue Dolphins. And score check muna tayo. 73 against 45 and lamang pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams.
Ayun na nga, 28 pa ang inahabol ng ating Mariners kaya mga Blue Dolphins. Pero mahaba pa ang oras. 4 minutes, 30 seconds. At meron ba tayong fourth quarter. Nice fake! And it's good! What a fake. The number 15. Kumagat yung dalawa. There's a foul committed by number 15. Holding foul. Number 6 will inbound the ball para sa ating Mariners Kalaman Blue Dolphins. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, partner. Medyo dumarami na ang ating live audience dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium.
Halo-halo yung mga fans ng Blue Dolphins ng Shepherdville Rams. And andyan na rin yung naghihintay para sa ating second game ng UNC Greyhounds and NCF Tigers.
Number 1, short jumper. Oh, good. Rebounded by number 20 of the Shepherdville Rams. Pass break pass to number 15. But there's number 8 there to stop him for making a point because it's over. Nice fake. Floater. Pero andun si number 1 for the second chance opportunity. Number 1. It's good for chance opportunity. Pero meron dito na ako nakikita mga naka-uniform from Mariners. Siguro fresh from the class pa ito. Diba? So maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa inyong school. Mariners ka naman, Blue Dolphins. Again, second chance opportunity. Still manage to create a shot and convert it into a point. Number 3. Number 10. 6. And number 15 more. Good for a short jumper. You only have 2 minutes and 48 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 77-49.
And shout out po kay Don Cristiana Colarina, galing yan kay David Joshua Bernales, and shout out sa NCF Tigers, good luck sa laro, galing yan kay Yanyan Sablaon. Ayun, kaabang na ang fans ng NCF Tigers sa ating SB Lions.
Ayun. Intercepted by number 6, pass to number 8, and back to number 6 for a 2-pointer. Number 10. Pass to number 3, the point guard. Steppable round, finding his teammate. Play. Number 28. Pass to number 4, drives, and it's good. 4. Rico. Number 27, driving the ball. No good, napalakas lang. Bola ng ating Sheppable Rams. Number 28. Inside pass. Short jumper. Good. 4-2 by number 15, Amor.
1 minute and 34 seconds na lang ang third quarter. And aabangan natin kung makakahabol ba ang Blue Dolphins para sa ating fourth quarter.
At ayun, merong nakita ang ating referee sa bahay. Substitution left. Number 11 and number 2 of the Sheppard Rams will enter the court. We only have 1 minute and 26 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 81-51.
And the substitution sa ating Sheppardville Rams, pinasok si Napay number 22 and pahinga muna si number 3 Lumabi.
Number 13 rebounded the ball. Ball possession of Mariners Karaman Blue Dolphins. Crossing it over. What a pass to number 29. Matandol si number 11 to block his shot. Number 22 takes, drives, kicks out to number 11. Reverse layup. Pero may nakitang foul ang ating referee. Sino ang tatawagan ng ating referee? That's jersey number 1, pushing foul. Number 11 will step on the line for his first throw.
And to give us an inside stuff during the timeout, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Janela. Hi Janela, kindly give us an update.
Frances, the Rams are still dominating the game in the third quarter, but still coach the boys to challenge their opponent and always set their play. He also mentioned to lessen and refuse doing stationaries inside the court and change to a game plan of 1-2-2 defense. Long way to go for the Dolphins to dominate the game. Can the Dolphins bring home the bacon? Yun ang abangan natin dito. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Janelle, for a quick update from the bench of our Mariners Karaman Blue Dolphins. So 1-2 defense pa rin ang ipapakita ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, trying to stop the Sheppardville Rams from making a point.
And meron na lang tayong 1 minute.
Number 11, no good. We only have seconds to play para sa ating third quarter. Number 22, Napay. Nabitawan ng bola, pero doon ang kakampi. To give us an update, quick update sa side ng ating Sheppardville Rams, let's hear from our courtside reporter. Hello, Cass. Ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Russell and Francis. During the timeout, one of the coaches highlighted that it was already in the third quarter, but the players have not performed an acceptable backs out yet. They have to backs out appropriately to increase the chances of getting rebounds. Moreover, they are likewise instructed to create a stronger defense. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Cass, para sa quick update from the side of the Sheppardville Rams. Yan nga, ito yung naging problema rin nila during the first half, pero nakikita pa rin ng kanilang head coach, no? Yung offensive rebound, yung pag-box out ng mga players niya during rebounding. Yun yung pinoint out ng ating head coach sa ating Shepherdville Rams.
And mas paigtingin nila ang kanilang depensa since lamang sila ngayong third quarter.
And we only have 19 seconds to play para sa ating third quarter. Number 11 fires for 3, no good. Pero andun si number 13 to get the rebound for a second chance opportunity. And he converted it to a point. Number 13. What a hustle play of number 13. Number 10 fires for 3, no good. Rebounded to number 29. But that's the end of our third quarter. 82 to 55. Lamang pa rin po ang ating Rams. And we're still live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami para sa fourth quarter.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. What a shot! Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. What a shot!
We are back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Shepherdville Rams versus the Blue Dolphins. At ito na nga, papasok na tayo sa ating fourth quarter. And Russell, ito na ang magdidikta kung anong team ba ang mag-a-advance sa next round.
Yes, this is the last 10 minutes of our game time. And we will see who will bring the bacon after the 10 minutes period. Number 1. Nabitawan yung bola ng ating Mariners ka na mga Blue Dolphins. That's a turnover coming from number 13. And shout out sa iyo, Melchizedek Ocrayo. Maraming salamat. And sa iyo rin, Mary Rose Lopez Bauca.
And shout out kay Rovic Bulalakaw, watching from San Isidro, Piri.
Yun, maraming salamat sa iyo rin, Arnold. Nawala. Arnold Antones, shout out sa iyo. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok. And from Jinky Merenciano Prohilio, shout out po to my nephew Ace Daniel Merenciano, number 12 of the Mariners Kanamang Blue Dolphins. Shoutout rin sa ating live audience dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium.
Ayun, halo-halo sa ating live audience ang Blue Dolphins fans and Shepherdville Rams.
Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok. Siguradong maya-maya mapupuno ito ng mga fans ng UNC Greyhounds and NCF Tigers. Kabang-kabang na labanan nito, mga kaibigan. Tutok lang po kayo dito sa ating Facebook Live through GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon Facebook page and Bucal Facebook page.
And sa ating second game ay paniguradong mas dadagdaga yung ingay ng ating crowd. Nandyan yung cheering ng crowd and yung banda na dala ng
UNC Greyhounds. Sigurado yan. Dalawang banda ang magsasalubungan dito. Kaya double time na naman tayo nito, partner, para lang malabanan ang naglalakasang banda ng dalawang kupunan.
Kaya wag na po kayong mag-change ng channel. Stick lang po kayo dito sa FB Live ng GNN Sports TV and sa ating TV channel.
Yun. Again, don't forget to share and like our Facebook page para mas maraming makapanood sa atin dito, lalong-lalo na ang supporters ng ating Shepherdville Rams and Mariners ka naman Blue Dolphins. And mamaya dito sa ating second game, no? NCF Greyhounds versus
NCF Tigers.
NCF Tigers.
And a shout out po kay Leo Andre Presentacion, galing yan kay Joel Evangelista. And to give us a quick update, tawagin natin ang ating kasamang courtside reporter na si Janelle kasama ang Blue Dolphins team. Hi Janelle, ano ang update mo dyan?
Thank you, Francis and Russell. Last quarter for this game and the Dolphins are still motivated to get their win. They have to change their game plan to 1-2-1 defense. And also, sabi nga ni Coach Jonathan, huwag mawala ng diskarte habang may oras pa. Yun lamang ang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Salamat, Janelle, for a quick update from the bench of our Mariners ka mga Blue Dolphins. Yun nga, huwag mawala ng pag-asa at yung diskarte ang papaigtingin ng ating Shepherdville Rams ay ng ating Mariners ng mga Blue Dolphins, pero marami pang oras, di ba?
9
minutes and 25 seconds pa, kaya pwede pa itong mahabol. So they are yung Shepherdville Rams 22-point lead, ayang-kaya pa yan ng ating Mariners kana mga Blue Dolphins. And wag po kayong aalis, tutok lang po kayo and we will have a short break.
Short stopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
back live here at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. And ito na, nasa fourth quarter na tayo ng game, Russell.
Ayun, medyo napahaba lang ang ating break. Sa kadahilanan po mga kaibigan, dahil nag-moist ang ating floor ng ating court. So medyo maulan kasi ngayon. So expected na talaga na mag-moist ang ating court. Pero pasalamat tayo sa ating magigiting na mga personnel ng GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium para sa mabilisang aksyon. So maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtulong. There's a foul. Back to the ball game tayo mga kaibigan. We welcome you to the fourth quarter of the Bucal Season 4, Week 4. And ngayon, Friday, ito ang ating Game 1, Shepherdville Rams versus the Mariners Canama Blue Dolphins. We only have 8 minutes and 35 seconds left. 82-55, lamang pa rin po ang ating Shepherdville Rams.
And maraming salamat din sa paghihintay sa ating FB Live viewers na matyaga talaga nga naghintay during the timeout.
Maraming salamat po for patiently waiting sa pagbalik ng ating live coverage ng Bucal Season 4.
Shoutout po kay Romney Casanay, galing yan kay Jonathan Mabana. And shoutout din kay Mark Melan Almero from Christopher Agpoon.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagtuto. Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams at pinapakita man-to-man, full court defense. Ngayon ang ating Mariners Canama Blue Dolphins trying to stop and cut the lead of the Shepherdville Rams. Inside pass to the big man. Number 2, Rito. Good for 2. The big man of the Shepherdville Rams, Rito. Number 7, Rason. Number 13, pass to the inside man. Number 7, pero tatawa. Number 7, ball possession ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Great job, number 3, Lumabe and the Shepherdville team. Watching and support from Libmanan, Camarinisurang Lumabe family. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa Lumabe family.
What an interception from number 6, Maureen. Pass to number 7, short jumper. No good. Pero andun ang offensive rebound. The Mariners Canama Blue Dolphins calling for a play, pero andun si number 22. At ayun lang, nabitawan ni number 13 ang bola dahil sa turnover. Bola pa rin ng Shepherdville Rams. Number 2 Rito, and it's good. What an and one play by number 2 Rito.
And 7 minutes and 14 seconds na lang ang natitirang minuto para sa ating fourth quarter. Score natin ng 86 against 57 and lamang pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams.
Ayun. No good for his second throw. Bola ngayon ng ating Mariners Canama Blue Dolphins. Number 12 calling for a play. Number 6 Maureen picks out to number 13. Toss is over. Abitawan yung bola. And bola ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 8 and number 33 will enter the court.
And magpapahinga muna si 12 and 10 ng Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Shoutout po sa mga online viewers natin and of course ating live audience sa Ateneo Gym. 7. But number 6 intercepted the ball, fires for 3, no good. That's an air ball. Bola ng ating Shepherdville Rams, number 15. Pero doon si number 28 to get ball back. Drives the ball and sayang noon, hindi lang nakapasok pero nakuha pa rin siya ng foul. Number 28 will step on the line for his 2 free throws.
And napapansin natin na Russell, nagsisipasukan na yung yung live audience dito sa loob ng GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. Ayun, halos mapuno na ang ating mga upuan.
Kasi di ko alam kung supporters ba ito ng ating second game o supporters pa ng ating current game. Number 28. Jumper's ready for his second throw. 13. Crossing the court. Malaluan. Pass to number for a play. Number 8. Pass to number 6. No good. Pero andun si Rito to get the rebound. Get the possession ng Shepherdville Rams. Number 28. Bounce pass to number 26. Napalakas lang ang pasa. That's a turnover. Manrique will enter the court. Another substitution from the Shepherdville Rams. Number 15 Amor will enter the court. And number 28. You only have 6 minutes and 6 minutes left sa ating fourth quarter. Intercepted by number 22 Napay. Gawa ng bola. Number 8. Nakuha pa rin yung bola. What a pass kay number 33. What a fake. Short jump. Sa ilalim. Nakuha pa rin ni number 11. Pero ando si number 6 to get the ball. And it's good for a layup drive. Number 6 ng Mariners ng mga Blue Dolphins. Number 8. Another point from our Mariners Blue Dolphins. Napakagandang depensa ro na ay process ang ating nakikita dito sa Mariners ka naman Blue Dolphins. Number 15, Binale, no good. Bola ng Mariners Blue Dolphins, dire-diretso si number 8. Fakes, no good. Rebounded by number 15. Pero andun pa rin ang Mariners to get the ball. Number 11, dire-diretso. And it's good for a 2-pointer. Yun napalakas ang pasa pero andun si Manrique. Number 19. Manrique drives the ball. Pass to number 8. What a pass. Good for 2 by number 8.
Bumabawi yung team ng Blue Dolphins.
Sabi nga hanggat may oras. May pag-asa pa sa basketball. At bilog ang bola.
Ayun.
Number 22. Pass to Rito. Pero andun si number 33. Intercept the ball. And number 19. Pero andun si number 22. Intercept the ball. Pero number 13 stop him to make his point.
And meron na lamang tayong 4 minutes and 18 seconds para sa ating fourth quarter.
Score natin 88 to 63. Lamang pa rin po ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 22 on the line. First throw is good. Number 22 Napay. Second throw. Jumper's ready and he completes his 2 given free throws. Number 13 will inbound the ball. Ito nakikita natin dito, Francis. Ang Shepherdville Rams, grabe pa rin yung depensang pinapakita nila. Oh, what a crossover move. Kicks out to number 8. What an assist given by number 19, Manrique, to number 8, number 6 for a 2-pointer, Norin. Number 19, Manrique. Fires for 3. No good, pero andun si number 33 to get the rebound. Number 33. Pero andun si number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 3. Nakakuha pa ng foul si number 3. That's a foul from number 19 of Mariners Kanama Blue Dolphins.
And 3 minutes and 27 seconds na lang ang natitira dito para sa ating last quarter. 92 against 66 and lamang pa rin ng Shepherdville Rams.
Number the line. First 2 free throw. First throw para sa ating number 3.
And para sa ating FB Live viewers and TV viewers, stay lang po kayo dito sa GNN Sports TV dahil susunod na po ang game na ihahatid ng NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds.
Yun, medyo kaabang-abang ang match-up natin maya-maya mga kaibigan at 6 p.m. Number 13, diretso. No good, pero doon si number 21. Pero nakakita ng foul ang ating referee. Number 13 will step on the line. First two given free throws. Number 13.
Number 13, Malaluan. Napapansin ko, partner, simula nung game nila nung day 2, Mariners Blue Dolphins, si Malaluan na isa sa mga masisipag nilang players.
Yes, starting 5 na rin si Malaluan kanina. Second free throw, no good. Pero andun ang ating Shepherdville to get the ball, pero nakuha pa rin ng Mariners kalamang Blue Dolphins. What a hustle play. Number 3, diretso, nabitawan yung bola. That's a turnover. Bola ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. Number 8. Short jumper. Number 13, no good. May nakita ang ating referee at tatawagan. Number 22 of the Shepherdville Rams for a holding foul. Same ball possession para sa Mariners kanama Blue Dolphins. There's a substitution of the Mariners Blue Dolphins and number 8 ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 19. Oh, good. Andun pa rin ang hustle na pinapakita sa atin ng Mariners just to get the ball. And yun na nga, bola pa rin nila. You only have 2 minutes and 36 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter, 93-68. There's a miscommunication, turnover para sa Mariners kanamang Blue Dolphins. Bola ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Andun pa rin yung gigil ng players on both teams, Russell. Kasi napapansin ko yung bitawan ng bola, andun pa rin.
Ayun. Ito pa rin yung hustle na pinapakita. Hindi pa rin sumusuko ang ating bawat kupunan. At yun, may nakita tayong crossover move kanina. Ayun, sa replay. Pero, they still managed to stop. Pero, yun lang, nakakuha nga lang ng foul. Si number 1. Ang ating Mariners kanamang Blue Dolphins. No good, first throw. Jumpers ready for the second throw. Number 15, and it's good for his last throw. Substitution for our Mariners Blue Dolphins. We have number 2, number 27, and number 10 will enter the court. Number 14, finding his teammate. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Cross-court pass to number 1 for 3, but there's a block. What a block by number 12. Number 3. It's good for a 2-pointer. Number 4. Di pa rin ipapatinag ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Patuloy pa rin kahit ang ating Mariners. That's a nice play from number 27. Nakakuha pa ng foul and he will step on the line for his two free throws.
1 minute and 42 seconds, 96 against 68. And aabangan natin kung makaka-100 ba ang Shepherdville Rams o makakapuntos ang Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Sapat na lang para maka-100 ang ating Shepherdville Rams. It's good for the first throw and good for the second throw. Shepherdville Rams. Number 22 Napa, he will cross the court and set the play for the Shepherdville Rams. Number 22 for 3, no good, pero andun kaya kampi to get the second chance opportunity. Tatawagan ng foul. personal foul na ang ating number 2.
Substitution sa Mariners Blue Dolphins, papasok si number 11 na Pumuseno, and magpapahinga muna si number 1 Malalubay.
Number 27 will stop on the line. Shoutout po kay Ate Alex at kay Ate Feby. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Number 14, it's good for a 2-pointer. We only have 1 minute to play, seconds to play sa ating 4th quarter. Di pa rin nagpapaawat ang ating dalawang kupunan sa hapon at gabi na pala, mga kaibigan. Ito, number 22, pass to number 8, pass to number 3, 4-3, oh good, rebounded by number 32, Napay. Have 14 seconds to shoot. Number 15, what a play, what a pass, coming from number 22, Napay. We only have 19 seconds to play. Number 27, no good. Intercepted by number 22. Number 22, Napay. 9 seconds to play. And that's gonna end our 4th quarter and our game time, 100-73. Panalo po ang ating Shepherdville Rams laban sa Mariners naman Blue Dolphins.
Ayun nga, naka 100 ang Shepherdville Rams, and mamaya aabangan natin kung sino ba ang best player of the game.
Yun, pero what a game. Napakagandang laro na pinakita sa atin ng Mariners naman Blue Dolphins versus Shepherdville Rams. Congratulations sa ating winner for this evening. Magbabalik po kami para makilala natin ang ating best player of the game. So we are still live here at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium, and you're watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Using the back. All the way. Number 2 makes a foul.
live pa rin tayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium at kasama na ng ating courtside reporter na si Cassandra, ang best player of the game. At ang best player of the game ay ihahatid sa atin ng NCF Wings because Tigers can have wings. So eto na nga. Hi Cassandra, maaari mo na bang ipakilala sa amin ang best player of the game?
Truly, Shepherdville Rams is doing their best shot to constantly play at their best whenever they are on the hard court. Now that Team Rams gain a victory against the Blue Dolphins, I am with the best player of the game from the side of the Shepherdville Rams, Joshua Napay, jersey 22 with 13 points, 3 rebounds, 11 steals. Joshua, as a student athlete, what are the routines that you think help you in becoming the best player of the game?
Hard work lang po, and every practice po ginagawa ko yung makakaya ko na patunayan ko sa sarili ko na magawa ko yung best ko every practice. Yun lang po, hard work.
Thank you. Can you share with us your personal goal whenever you enter the hard court?
Una-una sa lahat, magkapagtapos ako sa pag-aaral. Pangalawa po, magcha-champion po ngayon sa Bucal. Yan po ang goal ko ngayon. Ibigay ko po yung best ko.
Thank you very much. We are currently live. May gusto ka bang i-greet o pasalamatan?
Una-una sa lahat, thank you God dahil sa inyo nanalo po kami dito. Pangalawa po, thank you coaches, Pastor Paul, Pastor Ben, maraming sa suporta, Ma'am Din, and especially yung family ko. Ma, I love you. Nandito sa TV. Kuya and lahat. Kuya Paul, Kuya Nick, Kuya Rayman, Kuya Joseph, and Ate Lovely, Ate Portia. Maraming bayaw. Jude, and Kuya Ken. Ingat. And especially yung girlfriend ko. Nanonood. I love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much and congratulations. Yan, that's it for now. Back to you, Russell and Francis.
Maraming salamat, Cassandra, for introducing to us our best player of the game, si Joshua Napay. Francis, 13 points, 3 rebounds, and 11 steals. Napakagandang stats yun para kay Joshua Napay. Congratulations sa iyo. Importante yung hard work na pinakita ni Joshua Napay during the game time.
Ayun, congratulations kay Joshua Napay. At ayan na nga, naririnig na natin ng partner ang ingay ng banda galing sa NCF Tigers and UNC Greyhounds.
Ayun, maglawag po kayong honest na aming pagpabalik. Ihahatid namin ang laban ng UNC Greyhounds versus NCF Tigers. Yun nga, panalo ang ating Shepherdville Rams sa ating game 1 ngayong hapon o ngayong gabi. And this is Russell, and kasama ko si Francis at kami yung naging commentator sa laban ng ating Rams at Blue Dolphins. We are still live here at Ateneo University Gymnasium. Thanks for watching at GNTV Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Huwag po kayo alis, magbabalik po kami.
Short stopper using the block.